So this is another hunt for a vacuum leak, today on a FEI XL30 SFEG field emitter. Today I'm using a quite different technique. Today I'm using this RGA residue gas analyzer. So inside here there's a quadrupole mass spectrometer. So this makes you can detect different atomic masses. And as a test gas, I'm using helium. So helium is very good because it has a very low atomic mass. So that means it can enter really small gaps, and also it's very rare in atmosphere, so that makes it good to detect. So I have attached a software. So this is the corresponding software, and now let's apply some gas. So this is, as I said, helium. So I'm using this balloon gas because it's quite inexpensive, and there's no need for a very pure gas. You see, I check it here. So you see this marking on the chamber door. So this is where I found the leak already, and let's see what happens. So when I'm apply the gas here. So I applied it on the gasket. So now I come closer to the leak. So let's see what the software do. Okay, coming closer. I see, now it's, boom, you see there's the leak. So, and the good thing is that it's very good to detect, and even a few millimeters make a huge difference. So it still goes up. See, and now it goes down. Okay, let's find the maximum. So there's always a little short delay between the peaks. Okay. Yeah, I think that's close enough. You see it's here. So very, very minor changes make a huge difference. So that's very good. And yeah, that's it. So I think helium is a very good way to detect vacuum leaks because it's very precise, and also I want to show you one thing. So because when I release the helium, you see it goes down very fast. So that's the difference between the halogen gas detector I showed you last time. So that's kind of a chain reaction. So it takes a very long time to decrease and to settle down. So here it's very fast. You see, when I apply it, it goes up and down very fast. You see, I apply the gas. So now I release it. You see, it instantly goes down. So it makes it very good to detect leaks. Okay, yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.